In this proClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to install the internal multi-leaf damper. Please note the safety instructions in the relevant installation and operating instructions manual. Before starting installation work, check the scope of delivery for completeness. The sealing strip must be applied to the inner edge of the flange surface before installing the damper. Work should be carried out carefully to prevent leaks. Work can now begin on installing the multi-leaf damper on the outdoor air side. Start by removing the side plate fastening on the outdoor air side. Open the latch in order to install the damper. While installing the multi-leaf damper, ensure that the actuator is on the inspection side. You can now close the latch. The side plate fastening can then be attached. Finally, the damper connector must be connected. Now repeat the entire installation process for the exhaust air side to complete the installation. The damper does not need to be activated by controls. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and HeliosAIR1.com.